friends. Please welcome Gungor.
I see your world aching and falling apart, and I don't know what to do with it, what to do with it. Yeah, I see your hate building up all of the walls, turns family into enemy. What to do with it? I see love rising like a hurricane, rising like a dead man, coming up out of the grave. I feel love rising in my chest again, rising like the burning sun into the day. Yeah, I see the world aching and longing to be. All of its words over and gone. Peace finally in every heart.